Ubaba unjani othengisa ingane zakhe?
Hayi wena ubumnyama kaRupert thula wena ubumnyama
Usiqondile wena
usikhulu kumele singashise ilanga kaRupert.
Hey, out of order, Minister. You are out of order.
Honourable member, please mute your microphone. You have not been recognized.
In the house.
Orderly.
Mfana kaRupert.
Ice boy.
Bias wena, bias wena.
No.
Wakhuluma
mfana kaRupert. Spell out.
It's like human
Members, the lectures will be over.
Stellenbosch.
Baba onjani?
Wakhuluma uStellenbosch umntana kaRupert.
Belungu Satan.
Kunjani ukudla igazi labantu? Cima kungo 2017 ngokubiza baba izimali.
Umntana kaRupert.
Balishulekile kwenza umsebenzi wayo.
Montachi, you have not been recognized.
Don't leave them.
Honourable members. Honourable members, you may not drown out the speaker at the podium. I haven't seen a point of order risen.
Stellenbosch
I see a hand at the back, and then I'll come to the front.
Hlala phansi.
Sihlalo ngicabanga ukuthi
Asinqama.
uMr Lamula laphayana
What rule?
Rule. Ayikho lento ucabanga a whole lot of nothing. Rule.
qala nokubo
Aniphaphi nina yazi ngobubi.
thulani namasela lawo.
Honourable members, order. Honourable member, please repeat your point of order.
We must start with the rule.
Ngithi uLamula ukhuluma
What rule are you?
Rule.
Alama rules.
Umthetho.
Sorry, Honourable member, that's not a valid point of order.
Molauteo. Which
Please mute your microphone. Honourable Reddy, yes, I'm recognizing you.